Hello, everybody. Hello. Now we get the sunshine of the morning for the healthy. Hello. My name is Lucky. And then another one. My name is. This one is. Her name is Lucky. It's the yellow one. And another one in the sun corner. His name is Mr. Sun. His name is Mr. Sun. He's the tie of the sun corner. This one is lovebird, but his name is Lucky. He got the sunshine in the morning for to get healthy. Hello. Hello. Have a good night. Have a nice day, everyone. Have a nice day, everyone. It's a good view in the background.